We go to the story now of a woman who is desperately trying to get her grandson into state care. The Clarendon woman, who herself is disabled, says she's unable to care for the boy. TVJ's Jeline Pearson has her story.
Lorna Stewart shares a moment with her soon-to-be 8-year-old grandson. He can't walk, talk, or feed himself, but he's well aware of his grandmother's love.
I have a baby from him 6 weeks old, and his mother carry him to his father and run will leave him. And I have a child from in a Coronation Market being selling with him until my son died.
After her son's death, Miss Stewart became the sole guardian for her grandson. However, based on his condition, it has been a struggle to care for him.
He was at Ramona Rehab about for around 2 months. And then call me back and tell me that they have nothing to, baby cannot do no therapy and those, and then the doctor called me. When I went, the doctor tell me that I have to take her home, they take back the baby.
3 years ago, Miss Stewart was involved in an accident. Now she can barely walk. She took up residence in the Mapen Market, where she was a vendor. That's when she met Leroy McCarthy.
I go Mapen, go buy some parts, I saw. So we walk in the market, and I see her sit down, the little boy in her lap and cry. So I asked him what happened, and he started to tell me. So I said to her, if me not there so far, would I put her up? And he said, well, it wouldn't matter. So I go get a taxi and come Freetown, and I show him, and he said, all right, thank me.
But despite having a place where they can now call home, Miss Stewart says she wants the best care for her grandson. She's unable to provide it, and after years of trying, she's making another appeal for help.
Because I can't lift him up. If I'm anyone in there, I don't know me manage. Sometimes when the gentleman go bush, he might rush to come back. Because I can't lift him up. I can't do nothing towards him. Nothing totally. And I know me I walk, I look somewhere if I put him. So tell me, my foot them, I can't hardly walk. If me get up and I wash out the baby too or something, I have to sit down on something. If me a bed, I have to sit down on one bench. I can't stand up on the foot. So I don't know, I can't manage him.
Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.